Look, y'all, they tearing it down. Right now, as we speak, let me go up a little higher. It's coming on down. I was on my morning walk, and I always walk behind the landing. And look, hey Rodney, that's our legendary Jacksonville Landing coming down. Look at that. It's a hole straight through the middle. And back up so you all can see. It's coming down. A lot of us have great memories in this place. I'm gonna walk back here. This is where Hooters was right here, you all. Look at that. I'm good. Was on my morning walk. And I always walk behind the landing. You all, this is Hooters. I hope you can see, because it's so much sun. But look how empty that is. Boarded up. Oh, hold on. Look at here. Empty. I'm hold it up like that so y'all can see. This another bulldozer working where Chicago Pizza was. That's gone. Chicago Pizza and where the gym was, all that's torn down. That's this right here. Look at that. It's a hole in it. You see it? Unfortunately, you have to look through the gate. It's another bulldozer working on this end. But this is where Chicago Pizza was. You see that? And remember the gym that was up here? That's completely demolished. One thing is, if you have a dump truck company, baby, you can make some money in a minute. I know my cousin has a dump truck company, and I'm sure he'll be working on this Amp Watley with his JCEP certification. But look at that. That's our landing being gone. I do me a morning walk sometimes. This is my third morning walk this morning. I love walking downtown. See? Look at American Grill. I love walking downtown, across the main street and across the bridge. Get me an extra little workout in, and it gives me time to think on this beautiful day. But as I walk today, they are tearing down our Jacksonville Landing. Look up here. I'm gonna walk back this way so you all can see. That's Hooters. It's empty. Gone. So you all better come down and get your last look at it. Our kids and grandkids may not know. Well, my kids do, but my grandkids won't. Let me show you. It is coming down. Dusty and all. They letting us look at it firsthand come down. Somebody must have had a vendetta. Because usually when they tearing down stuff, you can't walk behind it. I'm like right up on it, you all. Somebody must have said, let the people watch it come down. Look at Jack Daniels. Poor Jack Daniels. See it coming down? Literally coming down. Lord. Let me walk this way. Y'all, that's the steps. Here. This way the Christmas tree used to be. Remember right smack in the middle? Fat Tuesdays, Rush Street, all that's torn down behind there. Where the cookie factory was. I know it's bright out here, but look at it. Bye, Landing. Remember this? Get your last view, baby, because in probably about a month, it'll be empty. Look, they even tore the words down so you can't see them anymore. No more Jacksonville Landing up there. You see Wells Fargo right behind it. It's dusty. It's coming down. Oh, look. Oh, baby, he pulling the wall down. He's demolishing all of that. He grabbed me like a dinosaur. I'm waiting on this wall to come down. Sorry y'all gotta look behind the fence like me. Look at it. Can you grab that? Oh, look! He's pulling down the wall. Y'all see that? Wow. I hope something good coming back too. But if they had that, they would have told us. But it's probably all a secret. They have a master plan. We just not part of the money, so they ain't gonna tell us. Only the people with the money know. Look, they grab it. I like to do a job like that and tear this stuff down. But I'd be scared that the stuff gonna fall because I'm trying to figure out how he gonna get out of there. Okay, here comes the ceiling. I guess he makes him a path. Grab it. Clank. Grabbing the wall. Much the hole in it. Oh! Let me see if I can give y'all a better spot. It's so sunny. But that's your Jacksonville Landing coming down in front of your eyes. Wow, look at that. Yeesh. Baby, it's over. I wonder if they recycle this stuff. Or what they do with all the debris. Where does it go? Y'all, I'm just behind a fence. See this long fence? They let you watch it. I thought they would like cover it up, but you can stand right here and watch it. See, look, that's half of it. That's the other half that still stands. You see Wells Fargo? See where Fat Tuesdays used to be? This is towards the Main Street Bridge. The inside of the landing is gone. But inside, outside, different pieces. Oh, I thought I saw a spark, but maybe that's just metal. You all, I was on my morning walk and I saw that. We did, Isaiah. We had good days with the landing. One of my best years, I brought in New Year's Eve, 1995, right here in this courtyard. Had a ball. And that ended up being one of the best years of my life. I still remember 1995. Hey, Kayla. Hey, Melvin. I just decided to go live. I was on my morning walk. Let me show you all. Turn around on me. This is me. I was on my morning beautiful walk and decided to go live for a second and let you all see them demolishing the landing right behind me. Look at that. This is how close I am. If you all want to come take a look, you can. See, it's coming down right behind my head. I can barely see. I forgot my shades this morning. They bringing down the house. Let me see if I can stand in this shade spot. Maybe you all can see a little better. Behind a pole. Say bye. All right, one man signaling something to him. It's two bulldozers working at one time. One on the inside, one on the outside over there, y'all. So on the side where Wells Fargo is, there's another bulldozer on the outside on Bay Street. So it's one bulldozer over here where I am by the river, and there's another bulldozer working on the outside by Bay Street. D.H. Griffin. My grandmother's last name was Griffin. Look at look all in there. I'm trying to see if you can see it. See? This bulldozer has stopped, but the other one's still going. But look at it, it's leaning now. That's it. All right, people. I just wanted you all to see what I was looking at this morning. I'm going to continue my walk across the Main Street Bridge. I just did the Acosta Bridge behind me. I started at the Marsh. I did the Acosta Bridge. Walk back on the boardwalk by the workout area. Then come back down behind the landing and then go across the Main Street Bridge. Get me a cute little, good little walk in. You know, summer bodies are made in the winter. You better get up and get yours. See you later.